guys! Today it's gonna be unboxing the GoPro Hero 8 camera because lately I was not able to open it on time, so let's do it. Join me, join unbox. Alright, see you then. Okay guys, I already opened the bottom part. Okay, let's see. I'm curious. Curiosity kills the cat. Oh wow, look at this. See? Here's the box. Okay, here we go. First the box inside. Okay. So brochure. Have questions, I think, that comes later. It's another sort of reminder's gift. And the manual, the handy manual. These are the instructions. So I must have my phone connected with the application, GoPro application. Number 2, I must remove this one out. Okay, we will follow the instructions how to remove this FPC. Unboxing. Oh yes, the USB cable there. The battery of the GoPro camera. I think this has to be stick-ons for the tripod for later. And what I have here more of this. This is another for extension for the tripod and for the camera. And this is like a screw. Okay, let's begin. It's empty. Return its position. Okay, unscrew this. Just mini guys, cutie, handy. And how to remove this? I already unscrewed number 2, number 3. Yes, that's already done. And we go on number 3. That's instructions how to place the battery. Okay, first this thing, how to remove this. It says here some kind of move. It says here remove. Turn it out and a little bit press, push out. So that's how we do it. Okay, we already have the step 1, 2, 3, and then 3A, 3B. Okay, how to place the battery. So here we go. Open this thing, this side up and down, and open here and click. And battery. Oh guys, now I see on the last part, if I'll be wearing a helmet or whatever, sort of head supporter for the camera, I can stick this on. Look, because it's a little bit curved. It's not flat. It's not flat, it is curved. So the illustration here, this shows this has to be attached for the helmet or the head supporter for the camera, and that's it. So connect with this thing inside, something like that. Imagine this is the helmet. So stick it on position and turn this. I press. Something like that. Click downwards, and then just the same process with the foot, and then connect it here and with a screw. So whoever goes with the action, biking or mountain biking with his head on top, the camera is on top, and take the action, any flow, it's gonna be fun. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fun, guys. So it's like that, flowing into action, stick, go with the flow. Okay, returning back about the camera and how to charge on. Okay, it says here number 4. I will first remove this. It says it's number 4. Connect the here a little bit for the connection and but you know, guys, we call this cable the USB cable. We have a terminology. We call this male, and this is a female. The small one is a female. So this is a pair. This has to be connected to the hard disk drive of the computer, and this has to be here, this connection. So I'll be charging the battery and wait. We will see how it goes, because there are so many instructions what to do and to know things, tips for the preferences and functions, or some keys to follow. Alright, till then, that's it for unboxing.
Bye bye.